unmute your microphone.
Good evening, everyone. Till Monsieur connects us, can we have just a quick introduction session? Just say your name and where are you from?
Yes, you can continue.
Okay, great. Monsieur has connected.
Am I audible, Hassan Dev?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes,
Go ahead.
yes.
Well, let me introduce myself. I am Mr. Mashihur Rahman. I have just qualified NET in 2009 and pursuing PhD in American literature. Today, I will discuss the entire plan and strategy and proper guidance how to prepare NET in English literature. First of all, those candidates who want to qualify NET have completed masters or pursuing masters. Okay, so masters is mandatory qualification for NET qualification. Just within half an hour or more time, I will guide you properly what to study and what to skip for NET preparation in English literature. Okay, dear aspirants, am I audible? Okay.
Ye- Yes, yes, continue.
There are so many there are so many sections in NET syllabus. There are 10 units. Unit 1 drama, Unit 2 poetry, Unit 3 fiction short story, Unit 4 non-fictional prose, Unit 5 language, basic concept theory and pedagogy, Unit 6 language in English in India, Unit 7 cultural studies, Unit 8 literary criticism, Unit 9 literary theory post World War, and Unit 10 research methods and materials in English. Okay, so if you prepare for drama, you have to think that drama can be divided into, okay, from the very beginning, I would like to start my discussion. If you look at the entire question pattern of the NET examination, you will find that there are two types of questions. One is history based question, another is detailed study based question. Okay, for history based questions, uh, just say more than 30 to 40 questions will set from history based area. If you cover the history based area from British literature, you have to study Sanders, Routledge, David Deutsch, and Margaret Drabble. These four books are enough for history based questions. And in the paper, there will be 30 to 40 questions from this type. Okay, from history based questions. If you can categorize the entire questions you will find that there are two types of questions. One is history based question, another is detailed study based question. For history based questions, you have to study the Short Oxford History of English Literature by Sanders, Routledge History of English Literature, and the History of English Literature by David Daches and Margaret Drabble. These four books are enough for history based questions, and after if you complete these four books, you will get 30 to 40 questions in the NET examination. Okay, and the remaining 60 questions, for these remaining 60 questions you have to study in detail. Detailed study is must for these 60 questions. Okay, and for detailed study, according to genre, we can divide. Just take for example unit 1 drama. Drama can be categorized into various subsections: British drama, American drama, Indian English drama, Russian drama, European drama, etc. Drama can be categorized into various subsections, and you have to make a plan for drama in your exercise book, which drama is important from British literature, which drama is important from American literature, which drama are important from Indian English literature, which drama are important from Russian literature, and which drama are important from European literature. Okay. Just for example, if you study British drama, you have to make a plan from the beginning of the British literature, that's Renaissance period. From Renaissance period, you can study Edward II, Dr. Faustus, Shakespeare's Macbeth, King Lear, Hamlet, Henry IV, The Tempest, Every Man in His Humor, Every Man Out of His Humor, and the like. And after that, Restoration drama, 18th century drama, 19th century drama, and 20th century drama. And after that, post-war British drama. Drama can be categorized, or British drama can be categorized into various subsections, and you have to study, you have to write the name of those detailed drama for detailed study according to their periods. That is Renaissance period, Restoration period, 18th century period, 19th century period, and 20th century and post-war British period. Okay. For unit 2, poetry. How will you prepare poetry for NET examination? Poetry is a very vast area. So how will you attend British poetry? So that poetry can be categorized into various subsections: British poetry, American poetry, Indian English poetry, Australian poetry, African poetry, and the like. Okay, so for British poetry, you have to categorize, you have to make subsections from 14th century poetry. For example, the Canterbury Tales, Renaissance poetry, Fairy Queen, Shakespeare, Sonnet, Hero and Leander, etc., Paradise Lost, Book 1, Book 2, Book 3, etc. And metaphysical poetry, Restoration poetry, 18th century poetry, Romantic poetry, Victorian poetry, pre-Raphaelite poetry, First World War poetry, and postmodern British poetry. Poetry can be categorized into various subsections, and you have to make a plan for detailed study for this poetry unit. And after when our lecture is over, or later, I will make you a list for poetry from every subsections, from British poetry, American poetry, and the like. Similarly, unit 3, how will you prepare unit 3 fiction? Fiction is very important for NET point of view. So how will you prepare fiction? Similarly, fiction can be categorized into various subsections. British fiction means British novel, American novel, Indian English novel, Russian novel, European novel, African novel, and Australian novel, etc. Just for example, how will you prepare British novel? For British novel, you have to make a list in your exercise book. 18th century novel, which 18th century novels are important? Romantic novel, which romantic novels are very, very important? Victorian novel, which Victorian novels are very, very important? 20th century novel and post-war British novel. I will provide you a list from British novel, American novel, Indian English novel, Russian novel, and all the like. Okay. In Unit 3, there is a category of short stories. So I will give you a list of short stories. For example, Dickens's The Signal Man by Dickens, The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde, The Magic Shop by H.G. Wells, The Gift of the Magi by O. Henry, Rip Van Winkle by Washington Irving, Desire Baby, Kate Chopin, The Yellow Wallpaper, Charlotte Perkins Gilman, The Telltale Heart, Edgar Allan Poe, Peasant Wives, Chekhov, The Lottery Ticket by Chekhov, and so many short stories. You have to prepare short stories, and I will make you a list the entire short stories, okay, which are very, very important for NEET point of view. Similarly, for Unit 4, non-fictional prose will come from British literature, non-fictional prose will come from American literature, Russian literature, Indian English literature, and from different fields. Okay. After that, you have to think who are the most important authors? Who are the most important authors for NET preparation? Important uh, important Nobel winners. You have to make a list of important Nobel winners. Just I will mention some of the few names of Nobel winners. In 1907, Rudyard Kipling, 1913, R.N. Tagore, 1923, W.B. Yeats, 1925, G.B. Shaw, 1929, Thomas Mann, 1930, Sinclair Lewis, 1934, Louis Pirandello, 1936, Eugene O'Neill. So similarly, you have to make a list of Nobel winners, of Nobel awardees from 1901 to 2020 or 2019. Okay, I have made a list about 43 Nobel awardees which are very, very important. Let me give a chance to mention all those names. In 1938, Paul S. Bach, 1946, Hermann Hesse, 1947, Adri Gide, 1948, T.S. Eliot, 1949, William Faulkner, 1954, Ernest Hemingway, 1957, Albert Camus, 1962, John Steinbeck, 1964, Jean-Paul Sartre, 1969, Samuel Beckett, 1971, Pablo Neruda, 1973, Patrick White, 1976, Saul Bellow, 1982, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, 1983, William Golding, 1986, Wal Soyinka, 1988, Naguib Mahfouz, 1990, Octavio Paz, 91, Nadine Gordimer, 1992, Derek Walcott, 1993, Toni Morrison, 1995, Seamus Heaney, 1999, Gunter Grass, 2001, V.S. Naipaul, 2003, J.M. Coetzee, 2005, Harold Pinter, 2006, Orhan Pamuk, 2007, Doris Lessing, 2010, Maria Vargas Llosa, 2012, Mo Yan, 2013, Alice Munro, 2014, Patrick White, 2016, Bob Dylan, 2017, Kazuo Ishiguro, 2019, Peter Hackl. All these writers, all these famous Nobel awardees are very, very important for NEET point of view. You have to prepare these author very seriously, and the major works of these Nobel awardees you have to study. Just for example, W.B. Yeats. W.B. Yeats is very famous as a poet. So you have to study the major poems by W.B. Yeats. G.B. Shaw is a famous playwright. Okay, so you have to study the most important play by G.B. Shaw, and for which G.B. Shaw has been awarded Nobel Prize. Thomas Mann is a famous novelist. So which novel is very, you have to study the very important novel by Thomas Mann. Buddenbrook, Magic Mountain, Death in Venice, and the like. Okay. So T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot is very, very important as a poet and a critic. So T.S. Eliot's most important work is The Wasteland. So you have to study Wasteland in detail and the most famous critical works by T.S. Eliot. I have mentioned all these names, and you have to study author wise, you have to study chronologically, and if you study 1901 to 2019, all these 43 Nobel awardees, you will get more than 20 questions in NET examination. And what to study, what to skip is a very important question for NET point of view. So what is important for V.S. Naipaul? What is important for J.M. Coetzee? It's a very important question. Okay, so you have to think V.S. Naipaul awarded the Nobel Prize for which book or for which work. You have to study that work, and the most important university in our country, JNU and Delhi University, prescribed the syllabus from V.S. Naipaul. Which text is prescribed by JNU? You have to study that text. Okay, and J.M. Coetzee, Harold Pinter, and the like, Orhan Pamuk. So these latest authors, I think after 1980 or 1990, the name of the authors that I mentioned here, you have to study, and these are very, very important from NET point of view. Just for example, Nadine Gordimer. What to study from Nadine Gordimer? The major novels by Nadine Gordimer you have to study. The major works, maybe critical works. So you have Toni Morrison, Bluest Eye, Song of Solomon, Beloved. These are very important text for NET point of view. And 2017, Kazuo Ishiguro was awarded the Nobel Prize. So reminds of the day for which he has been awarded the Booker Prize. So you have to study Kazuo Ishiguro from that point of view. Another list, you have to make another separate list for Booker winners or Booker Prize winners. From 1970 to 2019, there are so many Booker awardees. I will make a list, the very, very important authors or Booker winners for you after some time, okay, later. And I will mention some of the important Booker winner authors: J.G. Fredel, V.S. Naipaul, Nadine Gordimer, Ruth Proyer Jhabvala, Paul Scott, Irish Murdoch, William Golding, Salman Rushdie, Anita Bruckner, Peter Carey, Kazuo Ishiguro, A.S. Bate, Ben Okri, Michael Ondaatje, Arundhati Roy, Ian McKeon, Margaret Atwood, Kiran Desai, Arvind Adiga, Julian Barnes, Hilary Mantel, Richard Flanagan, Paul Beatty, Jeffrey Sanders, Anna Barnes. These are very, very important authors from the Booker winners. Okay. Similarly, you have to make a different list for Sahitya Academy Award winners. So I will provide you a list of Sahitya Academy winners later. So now I will discuss another point. I have made a list for most important African authors. List of African authors. So African, who are the most important African authors? Nadine Gordimer, Miriam Tilali, Peter Abrahams, Alex Leguma, J.M. Coetzee, Buchi Emicheta, Chinua Achebe, Nuruddin Farah, Bessie Head, Ben Okri, Usman Semben, Wal Soyinka, Ngugi wa Thiong'o, Toni Morrison, Alice Walker, Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, Amy Caesar, Sisi Dangaremba, Leopold Senghor, Othel Fugard, Taib Salih, IQ Arma, Alec Boemer, Ama Ata Edu, Steve Biko, Olado Ikuno, Flora Noupa, Wami Ruma, Ibrahim Sunalla. These are very, very important authors from African literature. Among these African authors, 4 African authors are awarded Nobel Prize, namely Nadine Gordimer, J.M. Coetzee, Walt Soyinka, and Toni Morrison. So these 4 authors are very, very important, and they are major writers, major works. You have to study their major works. Walt Soyinka is a famous playwright. You have to study his most important plays, and Toni Morrison is a famous novelist. You have to study his famous novels. Okay, Beloved, uh, and Bluest Eye, Song of Solomon, etc. So, except these 4 authors, the other authors are quite minor, and these authors, I will make you a list. What is the most important text and etc. Okay. Then we'll move on to discuss another point. I have made a list of Caribbean authors. There are 4 authors from Caribbean literature: V.S. Naipaul, Teresa Walcott, and Franz Fanon, Shiva Naipaul. Among these 4 authors, only V.S. Naipaul and Derek Walcott have been awarded Nobel Prize. So these 2 authors are more important than others. Though Franz Fanon is a very important author from post-colonial point of view. Okay, so list of Australian authors. You have to make a separate list for Australian authors. Okay, I will mention some of the most important Australian authors: Anna Maria Boone, Marcus Clarke, Banjo Peterson, Henry Lawson, Miles Franklin, Christina Steed, Patrick White, Maurice West, David Malouf, Michael Kennelly, Peter Carey, Kim Scott, Richard Flanagan, Judith Reed, Eddie Hope, James Coetzee. Among these all Australian authors, only 2 authors have been awarded the Nobel Prize, namely Patrick White in 1973 and J.M. Coetzee. Okay, so for the case of Patrick White, you have to study quite detail his most important works, and the remaining authors. For the case of remaining authors, only his major works, major novels, major essays, etc., major plays, etc., and nothing, not more than that. Okay. Then we'll continue our lecture. From Latin American authors, you have to study George Luis Borges, Gabriel Ministrel, Miguel Angel Asturias, Pablo Neruda, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, Maria Vargas Llosa, Octavio Paz. So these authors are very very important. Except George Louis Borges, the remaining authors have been awarded the Nobel Prize. First author from Latin America who has been awarded the Nobel Prize is Gabriel Ministrel in 1945. So you have to make a list for Latin American boom writers. Who are the boom writers? Julio Cortázar, Carlos Fuentes, Mario Vargas Llosa, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, etc. Okay. Another important point, Pakistani writers. Who are the important Pakistani writers from the net point of view? Sadat Hasan Manto, Ahmad Ali, Mumtaz Shahnawaz, Julfikar Ghosh, Bapsi Sidhwa, Atiya Hussain, Tariq Ali, Hanif Qureshi, Mohsin Hamid, Nadim Aslam, Uzam Aslam Khan, Kamila Shamsi, Bina Shah. These are the authors from Africa, from Pakistani writers, Pakistani British writers. So you have to study quite detail. You have to study about his major works. After that, Bangladeshi writers, you have to make a separate list for Bangladeshi writers: Kaisar Haq, Abid Khan, Monica Ali, Tahmina Anam, Shajia Omar, Mahmoud Rehman, K. Anis Ahmed, Nimat Imam, Farah Ghaznavi, Maria Chowdhury, Jia Haidar Rehman, Razia Sultana Khan. These are from Bangladeshi writers, and you have to study the very very important works or most important works of these writers. Only one or two. Just remember his name and the genre. After that, we will move on another topic: Indian English literature. For Indian English literature, what to study and how to study. In last set examination, Indian English, the questions from Indian English literature are very surprising. What to study and what to skip is a very difficult question and challenging questions. I will make you a different strategy for Indian English literature. I have made 5 sections of Indian English literature, or 5 categories. First, basic Indian English literature. Second, Indian modern theatre. Third, Indian aesthetics. 4, partition novels and Dalit literature. These 5 categories, I have made these 5 categories. Among these 5 categories, category 5, that is Dalit literature and partition novels, are very very important from recent trends. For your convenience, I have made a list of Dalit writers state-wise. Maharashtra Dalit writers. Name of the Maharashtra Dalit writers are B.R. Ambedkar, Jyotiba Phule, Sharan Kumar Limbale, Arjun Dangle, Namdev Dhasal, Daya Pawar, Babura Bagul, Babitai Kamle, Urmila Pawar, etc. These are Dalit writers from Maharashtra, and you have to study only their major works. Okay. From Tamil Nadu, Dalit writers from Tamil Nadu: P. Shivakami, Meena Kandasamy, and Bama. Dalit writers from Odisha: Akhil Naik. Dalit writers from UP: Om Prakash Balmiki. Dalit writers from West Bengal: Manohar Maule Vishwas and Manoranjan Bapari. So these authors are very very important from the from the net point of view, and you have to study only their major works. partition novels or partition writings. In recent trends, partition novels are very, very important. I have made a list for partition novels. Balachandra Rajan, The Duck Dancer, Atiya Hossain, Sunlight on a Broken Column, Bapsi Sidhwa, Ice Candy Man, Khushwant Singh, Train to Pakistan, Chamun Nahal Azadi, Sadat Hassan Manto, Tabatek Singh. These authors and their works are very, very important from partition novels and partition writings. Indian aesthetics. From Indian aesthetics, what to study and where to study. Bharat Muni Natyashastra, Acharya Kuntak, Bhakrukti, Abhinav Gupta, Arvind Anand Bardhan, Dhani theory, Bhartihari Spota theory. So you have to plan very differently for Indian English literature. I have mentioned you three writers, namely A History of Indian English Literature by M.K. Nayak, A History of Indian Literature in English by Mehrotra, Indian Writing in English, R.K. Srinivas Iyengar. These three books are important for Indian English literature. Okay, so after that, I will continue my lecture. Afro-American authors. Who are the most important Afro-American authors? I will mention you the name. Langston Hughes, Zora Neale Hurston, W.E.B. Du Bois, Toni Morrison, Richard Reed, Alice Walker, Ralph Ellison, Booker T. Washington, Harriet Jacobs, Frederick Douglass. Harlem Renaissance authors: Amiri Baraka, Langston Hughes, Zora Neale Hurston, Chloe Mackey, Nella Larsen, Jane Tumor, County Culin, and the like. Okay. Black Arts Movement author: Sonia Sankage, Nikki Giovanni, Smile Reed, Maya Angelou, Rita Dove, August Wilson. These, whatever I have mentioned here, are very, very important for NEET point of view, and you have to study only their major works, one or two, and not more than that. Who are the Renaissance authors, Harlem Renaissance authors, who are the Black Arts Movement authors, and etc. Okay, from Afro-American literature. For Unit 5, for Unit 5, which is language, basic concepts, theories and pedagogy, English in use. Okay, so what to study from Unit 5? This questions is very, very important. Uh, uh, these questions are very, very important. Okay, so Unit 5, you have to study linguistics, language family, language death, language extinction, linguistic turn, language topology, different linguistics, that is sociolinguistics, neurolinguistics, etc. Chomsky's universal grammar, generative theory, etc. Great vowel shift, Grimm's law, ethnologue, language endangerment, lingua franca, Creole, pidgin, morpheme, free morpheme, bound morpheme, cranberry morpheme, zero morpheme, etc. Bregman's law, speech act theory by J.L. Austin, and lexeme, root, stem, base, Nidus principle, language test, four major theories of translation, and J.C. Cutford, Nida, Newmark, Roger Bell, Leopold Bloom, Eugene Nida, Ferdinand de Saussure, Wittgenstein. You have to study from linguistics all these things, And in last examination, I will make you a summary. I will discuss a summary of the last examination in 2019 June NET examination. How many questions are from British literature? You can answer. How many questions? Only 28 questions from British literature. How many questions from theory? Only 21. 9 questions from criticism. 2 questions from cultural studies. 12 questions from terms and rhetoric and prosody. 4 questions from research methodology. 2 questions from Indian English literature. 5 questions from English in India. 5 questions from American literature, and 5 questions from language. So, if you analyze the trend of the last examination, last NET examination, you will find that there are more questions which will come from British literature and theory. 28 questions are set from only British literature, and theory and criticism around 30 questions. Cultural studies only 2 questions. Research methodology only 4 questions. American literature only 5 questions. Language only 5 questions. So no questions from African literature, no questions from Russian literature, no question from Australian literature, Canadian literature, German literature, French literature. It is the trend of last June NET examination. Whatever I have discussed here, the number of questions, it is for June 2019 examination. Okay. So trend may be changed. So you have to prepare all the areas which are very, very important. I will make a list for post-colonial studies or post-colonial authors. Post-colonial authors, I will mention the name of those authors: Octave Manoni, Frantz Fanon. Octave Manoni's Prospero and Caliban. Frantz Fanon, The Wretched of the Earth, A Dying Colonialism, Black Skin, White Mask. W.E.B. Du Bois, The Souls of Black Folk. Alberto Memmi, The Colonizer and the Colonized. Aimé Césaire, Concept of Negritude. Sartre, Black Orpheus. Spivak, Une Tempête. Said, Bhabha and Gramsci. All these authors are important from post-colonial studies. Okay, you have to study quite detail from Edward Said. You have to study quite detail from Bhabha and Gramsci and Frantz Fanon as well. Okay. Okay. Now we'll continue the post-colonial concepts. You have to make a complete list of post-colonial concepts. Just I will mention some of the few concepts: colonial desire, colonial discourse, contrapunctal reading, cultural imperialism, cultural difference, filiation and affiliation, hegemony, magic realism, mestizo, mimicry, nation language, nation and national allegory, neo-colonialism, the other, othering, Rastafarianism, rhizome, subaltern, transculturation, anti-conquest, epistemic violence. I have mentioned here a few of the most important concepts related to post-colonial study. You have to make a list of post-colonial concepts. If you want, I will provide you the most important post-colonial concept later. Okay. Cultural studies. I will discuss another point. Unit number 7, cultural studies. Okay. Unit number 7, cultural studies. Cultural studies is a recent trend I have discussed with you that only two questions are set in NET 2019 last examination. Okay, in last year examination from cultural studies. Though you have to prepare well for cultural studies, I will make you some important points from cultural studies. Raymond Williams, Culture and Society; E.P. Thompson, The Making of English World Class; Foucault, Order of Things; Pierre Bourdieu, The Field of Cultural Production; David Harvey, The Condition of Postmodernity; Wami Anthony Appiah, Arjun Appadurai; Benedict Anderson, Imagine Communities; Paul Virilio, Edward Soja, Postmodern Geography; Ziauddin Sardar, The Production of Space; Stuart Hall and Hogarth. These are whatever I have mentioned right now. These are very, very important authors for your study, cultural study, unit number 7. Okay, I will continue my lecture. What to study from Russian literature? What to study from German literature? Okay, right now I will mention the name of the Russian authors and their works, which are very, very important from NET point of view. Anton Chekhov, Three Sisters, Cherry Orchard, Uncle Vanya; Vladimir Nabokov, Lolita and Pale Fire; Leo Tolstoy, Anna Karenina; Dostoevsky, Crime and Punishment, Brother Karamazov; Gorky the Mother; Boris Pasternak, Dr. Zhivago; Abdullah Kohar, who has translated The Captain's Daughter by Pushkin; Ivan Bunin, The Village; Nikolai Gogol, Dead Souls; Alexander Pushkin, Eugene Onegin. These are very, very important from NET point of view. You have to study quite detail of these authors. At random, questions are set from Crime and Punishment, questions are set from Anna Karenina, questions are set from Cherry Orchard, Three Sisters, etc. And Eugene Onegin is also very important. Okay. Another important point, German literature authors, and what to study from German literature. Thomas Mann, Badenbrook, Death in Venice, Magic Mountain are very, very important. Kafka, The Metamorphosis, The Trial, The Castle; Bertolt Brecht, Mother Courage and Her Children, Three Penny Opera; Hermann Hesse, Siddhartha; John Wolfgang Goethe, Faust; Gunter Grass, Tin Drum; Herta Müller. These are very, very important authors from German literature. Okay. So after that, I will discuss some of the important authors from postmodern latest authors. William Styron, Iris Murdoch, Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, Ismail Chugtai, Carol Shield, Manju Kapoor, S.E. Hinton, Jane Deluri, Zenith Anderson, Gugi Wathiango, Alan Siloti, Nadine Gordimer, Dennis Johnson, Ziologo, Esther Freud, Ugla Krashin, Jonathan Franzen, Akhil Sharma, Gabby Hudson. Whatever I have mentioned here are very, very important authors, postmodern, very important authors. Okay. Just I have mentioned you some of the important points. Right. Now I will discuss what just take for an example, what to study from Wordsworth or Coleridge. What to study from Wordsworth and Coleridge, and what to study from the Romantic period. Make a plan. what to study. I will give you a good plan which will be very beneficial for NEET point of view. First, you have to think who are the most important authors of the age, Renaissance or the Romantic age. There are two types of poets in the Renaissance, in the Romantic age: elder Romantic poets and younger Romantic poets. Wordsworth, Coleridge, and Southey are elder Romantic poets. Shelley, Keats, and Byron are younger Romantic poets. Okay, so some of the text you have studied in your masters from Wordsworth, namely lyrical ballads, some of the poems from lyrical ballads, etc. First, you have to think what what is the important text that are described by most important Indian university, that is JNU and Delhi University. JNU and Delhi University, what text they prescribe, you have to think. They may prescribe Wordsworth, uh, some of the important questions from Wordsworth and Coleridge also, Biographia Literaria. Just take for example from Renaissance period, who are the most important authors from Renaissance period? Philip Sidney, uh, Shakespeare, Ben Jonson, Donne, Marvell, and last Renaissance poet is Mr. Milton. So these are most important authors from the Renaissance period. Okay, so you have to make a list. First, you have to study. At the very beginning of my lecture, I have discussed about the matter that there are two types of questions: history based questions and detail study based questions. For history based questions, you have to study only three books: Sanders, Routledge, and Margaret Drabble. These three books are important for history based questions. And detailed study is must for important text. Just for example, uh, uh, take Shakespeare for example. Shakespeare's most important drama, Macbeth, Hamlet, Henry IV, and The Tempest. These are very, very important texts from NEET point of view. So you have to study these four texts in quite detail. Textual analysis is much needed for this text. Okay. If you study from these three books from Shakespeare, you will be unable to answer any question from Shakespeare. So Shakespeare is a very important author. So you have to study very elaborately all these four texts from Sydney. Astrophil and Stella is very important. Okay, and from Mr. Milton, you have to study Paradise Lost, book 1, book 2, book 4, book 9, book 12. Textual study is must. Okay, and Areopagitica is very, very important. Camus is very, very important. You have to think what JNU and Delhi University prescribed in their syllabus. These texts are very, very important for detailed study. And for history based questions, you have to study only these three books. Okay. There is another point: what to study from postmodern literature. What to study and what to skip. Postmodern literature can be categorized into various subsections: postmodern British literature, postmodern American literature, postmodern African literature, and the like. For an example, postmodern British literature, you have to study, you have to categorize postmodern British literature into three heads: postmodern British drama, postmodern British novel, postmodern British poetry. Okay, so if you study Sanders' book, you will get a clear idea who are the best authors from British literature after 1950. If you study Margaret Drabble, you have to get a clear idea regarding all these matters. Okay. Similarly, you have to make a list of American literature. American literature, post-modern American literature can be categorized into three sections, subsections: postmodern American poetry, postmodern American novel, postmodern American uh, fiction, etc. So separately, you have to make a list of those authors and you have to study quite detail. Okay. Uh, so very important. Uh, uh, what is the very important matter I will discuss? All whatever I will mention right now, you have to collect all these books. History of English literature. For History of English literature, Sanders, Routledge, David Deutsch, and Margaret Drabble. History of American literature, A Brief History of American Literature by Richard Gray. Outline of American Literature by Catherine V. A Short History of American Literature by Krishna Sen and Ashok Sen. For the case of Indian English literature, I have mentioned three books: A History of Indian English Literature by M.K. Nayak, A History of Indian Literature in English by Mehrotra, Indian Writing in English, R.K. Srinivas Iyengar. For the case of criticism, you have to collect English critical text by D.J. Enright and Ernest J. Chekera. This book is so important that if you study only this book, critical English critical text, only this book, you will get more than 6 questions, more than 8 questions in every examination. Okay. Literary theory. For literary theory, which books are important? Beginning Theory by Peter Berry, Literary Criticism: An Introduction from Plato to Present, M.A.R. Habib, Critical Theory and Criticism, Patricia Wow, and uh, criticism books by Ramon Sheldon, which is prescribed by Calcutta University. Okay, these three or four books are very important for literary theories. What is the important writer for literary terms and devices? A Glossary of Literary Terms and Terms by M.H. Abrams, Dictionary of Literary Terms by and Theory by J.A. Carden. For post-colonial study, which book is important? Helen Tiffin is very important. Post-colonial literature by Helen Tiffin. English Social and Cultural History by Bibhas Choudhury is also very important from net point of view. Okay, so you have to study all these matters, all these topics, and you have to collect the previous 5 to 10 year questions of net examination. You have to collect 2019 December and June net examination and the previous questions. How much is possible to collect? Okay. Right now, there is a very important questions, what to study from T.S. Eliot, and how to study and what to study from T.S. Eliot. First, you have to think Eliot is very famous for his most important work, The Wasteland. So you have to study The Wasteland quite detail, and after that, Eliot is famous for criticism. He is a famous critic. So you have to study some of the most important critical works: Hamlet and his problem, tradition and individual talent. Uh, okay, after some time I will conclude my lecture. Right now, whatever I want to say, that overall strategy, what to say, you have to study all these books. You have to make a list of make a list of Nobel laureates, Nobel Prize winners. You have to make a list of Booker Prize winners. You have to make a list of Sahitya Academy winners and study them. And which university syllabus is very updated? I think JNU, Delhi University and Hyderabad University syllabus are very latest and very important for you. You have to follow these three university syllabus for NEET point of view. Which text is important? You will get the right answer from the syllabus of those universities. Okay. Which text of Shakespeare is important? Which text of T.S. Eliot is important? Which text of which poetry is from T.S. Yeats is important? You will get the right answer from all the syllabus of universities: JNU, Delhi University, and Hyderabad Central University. Okay, right now. So you will continue your study, and I will make a plan to prepare you well in future, and I will make a separate batch for 100 students. They will be very important. They will be very important for the forthcoming examination. I think they will qualify. Okay. Right now, what to say? British literature, American literature, French literature, German literature, American literature, Indian English literature. For all these, you have to make a separate list for American literature, separate list for African literature, separate exercise book for African, American, Canadian, Afro-American, etc. and the like. So thank you. I will conclude my lecture. All the best. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello. Is there any question? If you have any question, the audience, if you have any question, you can write your name on the chat box. Okay. We can. I think we have time, and we can take 2-3 questions. So please do it. And there is a feedback form in the chat box. So please fill it up. Okay. So I want Mr. Mosiur Rahman, this was very insightful and informative lectures. Thank you very much. But I want to add some points here to the audience, to those who are working for NET preparations. So my suggestion is that please study the question paper. The question paper is most important part of our NET examination. So there in the questions there you can get four questions, four options actually. So within four options, you must know that there is only one answer, and the rest of the three options are the equally important. So study all the four options and note it down. The major major literary movement, key terms. You looked at Bakhtin, Foucault, and Julia Kristeva. All these literary critics, they have some major literary terms, and we can say the key terms. So note it down, write the major key terms, and etc. and major movement. So so that's it. Is there any question? I think there are one question. How to attend to other lecture series of base? I have not reached actually. Okay. So in that case, I can say that that we have yes. This is for NET examination. This is the second lecture. So after that, we will arrange more lecture on NET set examination. But for as a base as an organization, uh, we are organizing the lecture series for your. I'm informing that tomorrow we have another lecture series that Dr. Murshid Alam in conversation with Dr. Sami Mohammed. And after day after tomorrow, we have another panel discussion on law as career. So I would request all the audience to attend all these lecture series because this is a platform to gain knowledge, to share knowledge and experience also. Even the lots of professor you looked at from London, Paris, and USA, they are joining with us. They are giving their lectures. So I would request to join uh, attend all these lecture series. So I think there is there is no question. Sir, will you upload this lecture? Yes. I think this lecture series already is recorded. So we will upload it in base YouTube. Okay. So follow it up there. So now we came to in the last portions. My sincere gratitude goes to Mr. Mosir Rahman for his informative and engaging lecture. We know that the how difficult is to crack NET, yet the hard work is the only options to crack NET, I think, and proper strategy. I think this lecture is the proper outline for preparation of NET set in English. Uh, Thank you very much, Dr. Mosir Rahman. And
Thank you.
uh, I express my sincere thanks to BASE organizing such a lectures because this lecture series are very important for the NetSet aspirants. Again, I must mention that my sincere thanks goes to all the audience and all the BASE member attending for the attending these sessions. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you.